Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making a restore point and saving any open work, so changes are reversible. Next, open Task Manager and identify apps using CPU, memory, or disk. End only obvious non-system tasks. Once done, run disk cleanup, remove temporary files, Windows Update leftovers, and system cache to free gigabytes. These steps reduce background load and stop immediate swapping to disk, which is often the biggest cause of lag. Now you tackle deeper causes. Disable non-essential startup apps to shrink boot time and background CPU usage. Once done, configure Storage Sense to auto-clean temp and recycle bin files. Set it to daily or 1/2 hour after heavy use if you prefer. Then update drivers in Device Manager, focusing on GPU, storage controller, and chipset because outdated drivers cause stutters and slow I/O. Make sure Windows Update is current. Restart after drivers install to apply performance gains. Finish by adjusting visual effects. Choose Adjust for best performance or selectively enable effects you like. This reduces GPU and CPU overhead. Next, verify disk health. Run chkdsk, enable trim for SSDs, and defragment mechanical drives. Bad sectors and fragmentation cause slow reads. If performance still lags, perform a clean boot to isolate services and monitor temperatures. Thermal throttling from dust or failing fans can mimic software lag. If you hit a blocker, clean boot is the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.